This is the elevator, building 17 at Canal Place in downtown Akron, Ohio. This is Schindler 500A with MT. Down button does not work, so we'll go up. Up is burned out. I was expecting this to be a 400A, but it's actually a 500A. That door is really worn. Same for the sensor. 6. Assuming basement's locked. Okay, that door closed button gets stuck. It's not going to work anyhow. Here we go up. I said in my previous video this is a 400A, but it's actually 500A. I think they're turning part of this building into apartments. I think there's a new Schindler somewhere in here. Here at 6. That's a lovely door. Go back down to 1. Okay, I shouldn't have pressed the door close button. 988 phone. It's a basic cab. Hospital sized, same as all the other cabs here. Does basement work? No. Here back at 1. Someone called it upstairs. Despite it having 400A chimes, it is a 500A, but it closes and that's going to be it.